Hello beautiful and wonderful people, I'm super excited to bring to you guys today's recipe, which is a very simple hair growth and moisturizing butter that can help you to grow your hair in budding areas, help to minimize breakage, tying, shedding and split ends. It also helps with thickness, so if you're interested, I would suggest you watch this video to the end so you will see the ingredients and the steps I took in achieving this moisturizing hair butter. But before then, we'll be right back. Alright, so the first ingredient I'll be using today is our almond seed. Almond seed helps to moisturize hair, it makes hair grow faster, and it also smoothens frizz. So another ingredient needed is cloves. Cloves is very good for hair. It helps protect the scalp from dandruff, which is the major cause of weak hair. It has antioxidants that moisturize the scalp and prevent dead hair follicles. Another ingredient is rosemary leaves. Beyond stimulating hair growth, rosemary leaf is used to prevent premature graying and dandruff. It also helps dry or itchy scalp. Another ingredient is mustard seed. Those struggling with weak and brittle hair may rejoice because mustard seeds are packed with protein, calcium, vitamin A and E, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, which helps strengthen your hair from within. So another ingredient is chai seed. Chai seed are bursting with essential amino acid and they do some great work from inside the scalp. They inhibit hair fall and give a boost to new hair growth. Another ingredient is flaxseed. Flaxseed's hydrating quality helps it fight dullness and roughness. So the inclusion of replenishing elements in flaxseed such as vitamin B and copper helps restore moisture to the hair and scalp. These substances promote hair development and makes it healthier and thicker. So our last ingredient for today is fenugreek seed. This seed stimulates blood flow to the scalp and also nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthy hair. It also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help with dandruff and scalp irritation. So after that, roast all the ingredients on a low heat for about 10 minutes. Please don't over roast it. So after 10 minutes, look how the ingredients turn out. Use a mortar or grinder to grind the ingredients to a smooth and fine powder. After grinding, set that aside. Alright, so after grinding the ingredients, get a glass or plastic bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of raw shea butter. You can use any amount of shea butter you want depending on the quantity you want to make. Then you add 2 tablespoons of DIY coconut oil and 2 Brillo extra virgin olive oil. You can use almond oil or any essential oil of your choice. Then you use a double boiler method to melt the shea butter. This rich blend moisturizing butter offers so many benefits. It reduces dryness, split ends, and overall damage. It also helps to improve scalp health, especially those with dry scalp. It protects your scalp and seals in moisture to your natural locks. It protects your hair from damage because some of the ingredients used contains anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. It offers definition and protection too. If you're still watching this video to this stage, I say a very big thank you. And to my YouTube family, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the likes, for the share, for your comments. Your girl is loyal. And if today is your first time coming across to my channel, thank you there for clicking on this video. My name is Tina. I'm into DIY videos that can help you to grow your natural hair using the natural ingredients in your kitchen, in your environment, and around you. You can go through my channel and watch other videos on ideas on how to grow your hair thicker and longer. And if you enjoy what I do on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, on your notification bell so YouTube will always notify you each time I drop new and amazing videos. So now let's go ahead and add our grinded ingredients. After that, we'll double boil it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you strain it out as you can see me doing. You can use your cheesecloth or a hairnet to strain it to avoid some residue from sticking on your hair. Now you go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of glycerin. Glycerin helps to keep your hair hydrated and healthy. Add few drops of any essential oil of your choice. I love using tea tree essential oil. This hair moisturizing butter can be used on both natural and relaxed hair. Now we go ahead and transfer the oil in an airtight container. Refrigerate it for about 2 or more hours for it to solidify. So now, how often should you use this hair butter? No one knows your hair better than you do. So I would advise you start with a small amount and run it through each section of your hair. It's best on damp hair after a wash. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye.